How to download Minecraft in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you have a proper working internet connection in order to download Minecraft. Now, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Minecraft and you will see the Minecraft option. Tap on that and then tap on the Get option you see there in order to download Minecraft on your iPhone. Just in case if you don't see the Minecraft option, then you can go ahead and change your country and region of App Store and then try downloading the app and you will be able to download the app. So this is how you can download Minecraft in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.